we decided to spice things up and hosted our very first Thanksgiving. It's crazy because our aunt is usually the one that takes charge of that. So we just mostly come and eat. So let's see what's cooking, good looking. This is our turkey. It has oranges, thyme, I think apples and other spices, and that's the stuffing. We mixed in some like turkey juice there actually. And that was the bean casserole, and that's also a turkey. Is it turkey? Yeah, that's turkey. Yeah, that one has apple slices, garlic, oranges, spices. We bought 2 turkeys because they're both small. And so this is the viral mac and cheese. It's from this girl named Tinny, I think. Look at it. You see it bubbling? Hope it tastes good. Literally so satisfying. Because we were having family over, we were trying not to take too much so that we can have some for our guests. Duh. This is the sweet potato casserole, my fave. Cranberry sauce, mac and cheese. Shout out to Tinny. That's another sweet potato casserole. And then that's a bean casserole. My parents are busy flexing their Thanksgiving food on WhatsApp face call. So I'm just upstairs in my bedroom, which I know that's super gross, but I'm going to show you guys the food and rate some of it. I actually already ate most of the food before recording, so I'll just tell you I'll just tell you the ratings. And so let's dig in. This sweet potato casserole, this is sweet potato casserole. We put marshmallows, cinnamon, butter, brown sugar, walnuts. It's supposed to be pecans, but I didn't see pecans for some reason. I think that's basically it. But it has a crunch. Let me show you real quick. It's so good. I love it. This is like my favorite meal. I like all the meals basically, but this is one of my favorites. So I rate this 10 out of 10. Obviously, the cinnamon makes it so much better. So let me show you the crunch. So good. Yeah, I actually got full. So that's why the portions are so small, because I already ate these. Sorry, I had a little intermission because my cousins on the WhatsApp call wanted to say hi. So anyway, 10 out of 10. The sweet potato, as usual. And this is green bean casserole. My aunt actually makes it a little bit differently, but this one has garlic, fried onion rings. I'm a little out of breath because we were just cooking and I just got out upstairs. It's like hot inside here too from the cooking. And apparently this white stuff, it's literally just heavy whipping cream mixed with flour. I thought this whole time it was like some sort of coconut or cheese or something. I don't know. But I usually like eating this. Sometimes I don't like eating it if it tastes a little different. But this one's good. When I first tried it, like before recording, I got like more garlic, so I thought it tasted too garlicky, but this is good. This is also a 10 out of 10. And this is crunchy. It's crunchy. Very nice. And then this is ham. We put pineapples in this, and I don't know what other spices my mom put, I mostly helped with the sweet potato and stuffing. I didn't take stuffing because, yeah, I'm kind of full. I just I'll bring these because they're more satisfying to hear eating. But yeah, this one's good. I liked eating this. Also a 10 out of 10. I was low-key hesitant how it would come out because this is like our first time actually making Thanksgiving food. Usually our aunt makes it and we just literally come to her house to just eat, or like we just wait for her to finish cooking and then we eat. She doesn't usually, it's my mom that helps my aunt with the cooking, and I wasn't involved since I was like little that time. And then when I got older, I was able to help out, but she kind of likes to do stuff by herself. So this is turkey. My mom actually bought she bought sort of like a small turkey. So I actually bought 2 just in case, because we were going to have friends over. It's not a lot of us, but just in case. So let's taste it. Actually, no, before I taste it, this turkey had thyme, apples, oranges, like slices, apple slices, orange slices, other spices, I'm assuming. I really wasn't paying attention there. But this is good also. 10 out of 10. I pretty much just like all the food. Oh, and surprisingly, even carrots. She also put carrots in the turkey. Surprisingly, I like the carrot. I usually don't like carrots because, yeah, they're just not my favorite. But with the seasoning, it actually tastes good. So it's nice. And the other meals, which you might have seen in the previous clips, the mac and cheese, stuffing, and you already saw like the ham and turkey. The stuffing was good, 10 out of 10. It's not really like my favorite. I just mostly like eating the green bean casserole, the sweet potato, especially the sweet potato. I love eating this. I'm always the main person finishing it up all the time. And I like eating the turkey and ham, but I think I like eating ham more. And we're having mashed potatoes too, but we're not cooking that yet. We're taking a break because we're tired. I literally sweated from the heat from cooking. And also today's actually cold outside, surprisingly. So that's cool, but it's like unexpected. So I like sneezed a lot in the beginning. So I had to put a mask on when I was cooking. Oops, excuse me. We also have like drinks, which it's nothing elaborate. It's literally like lemonade, different lemonade flavors. It was like strawberry lemonade, and I think plain lemonade. I think that was basically it. They just had like 6 of those. Oh, and we had some cranberry juice apparently, but it's like the same brand. I think it's called Simply Lemonade or something. I forgot. Yeah, and then we have like some soda, and I bought some chips for the kiddos in case they wanted chips as snacks. Yeah, this Thanksgiving has been a success. I was low-key hesitant, especially because my parents were all stressed about, especially my dad. My dad always stresses about whether the cooking would come out good, because it's like a first time. Because this is our first time actually cooking Thanksgiving ourselves. Because we usually do it with our aunt. And yeah, like we never actually get involved cooking. It's just more like I would see her cook. But yeah, it honestly wasn't bad. It cooked, it finished a lot sooner than I thought. I thought cooking in the morning was better so that we didn't like waste too much time trying to like rush cooking and cleaning and whatever. But no, it went good. I liked it. Can't wait to eat these leftovers next week. Bye.